How to set up automatic payments Bank of America credit card. I'm going to show you how you can easily set up automatic payments Bank of America credit card. Start by logging into your Bank of America online account. Then locate and click on the Payment Center tab. This section helps you manage your payment preferences and set up automatic payments. Next, you will need to add your Bank of America credit card account if it's not already listed. Next, click on the option to add account and follow the prompts to enter your credit card details. This will allow you to manage your credit card payments directly from the payment center. After that, request e-bills for your credit card account to make managing your accounts easier. Now, look for the option to request e-bills and follow the instructions to set it up. This will ensure that you receive electronic statements instead of paper ones. Now, it's time to set up automatic payments. In the Payment Center, find the section for AutoPay and select the option to set it up. Choose how much you want to pay each month, either the minimum payment, a fixed amount, or the full balance. Now confirm your payment details and save your settings.